In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote tags. Tags are an incredibly powerful tool within Evernote that can help you organize and retrieve your notes more efficiently. Whether you're managing a small personal project or a larger professional endeavor, tags make it easier to categorize and sort through your collection of notes based on relevant themes or topics. Let's dive right into how you can effectively use them. To begin, you'll want to open the note you wish to tag. This might be the note you actively created or one you frequently reference. Having it open in front of you is essential, as this will be the focal point for adding relevant tags. Once your desired note is open and on your screen, navigate to the bottom. It's here you'll find the key to tagging, the Add Tag button. This icon looks like a tag with a plus sign and is your gateway to organizing your notes. When you click on this Add Tag button, a field will appear. This is where the magic of tagging truly happens. Start typing in this field to access existing tags or to create a brand new one. If you've already established tags in your Evernote system, you'll see suggestions pop up as you type. This feature allows for quick and seamless tagging by reducing typing and ensuring consistency across your tags. However, if you don't see a tag that fits the note you're working with, it's just as easy to create a new one on the fly. Simply type out your chosen tag name and hit Enter. Remember to keep your tags concise and descriptive for future reference. Now, let's talk about why using tags is beneficial. Applying tags to your notes acts as a secondary sorting method beyond notebooks. Unlike folders or traditional filing methods, where a note can only reside in one location, tags allow your notes to live in multiple contexts. For example, if you're working on a project, you might tag notes with the project name, the phase of development, and the specific team involved, making retrieval later on dramatically straightforward. Moreover, tags simplify the process of finding related notes. When searching in Evernote, you can filter your search results based on these tags, allowing you to tunnel right into the information that's relevant to your current task. This is especially advantageous if you're managing a large volume of notes or frequently switch between different areas of focus. As you continue to work with Evernote, experiment with creating a tagging system that suits your workflow. This system should reflect both the diversity of your notes and how you prefer retrieving them. Remember, the more intuitive and systematic your tagging practice, the more effectively you'll be able to harness the power of Evernote. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can make your Evernote experience far more organized and efficient. We hope you find Evernote tags as useful as we do in managing your notes effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.